Hello children. So today I will tell you a story of a boy called Vipul. Now Vipul was a bit plump and a bit fat. He was in the first year of college and many students used to say, Vipul, you are so fat, and they used to call him fatty and all. But Vipul took it in the right spirit, and Vipul did a lot of exercise, and he used to uh, take care of his diet, and he did try to lose weight on his coming 2-3 years. But along with that, Vipul had one special quality. He had something called as grit. He was very hardworking. Once he was given a small role in a play, he had to just walk across the stage and say one line and go to the other side. That's all his role was. But he kept practicing it. He must have practiced it some 100 times. Okay, and the play was done. So many friends in his class used to think he's a bit funny. He's a bit weird. Why does he put so much effort into everything? Okay. Similarly, his teacher also used to say many times that when teacher will give one question, he will solve 2 questions. When teacher gives 10 questions, he will solve 200 questions. And that way Vipul was very hardworking. When most of the students in his class clocked like 1000, 1500 lines of code, in 3 to 4 months, Vipul coded 7000 lines of code. And that was a record for the teacher also. The teacher was surprised. Arey, you finished all the questions. And Vipul was like that. He was from a family who was quite rich. They had a lot of money. But he didn't want a bike. He didn't want to stay in a big house. He used to stay near the college in a small hostel. And he used to have a very simple way of living. He never liked to spend too much money. So his father used to say, Arey beta, you take more money, why don't you take more pocket money? Why don't you go and watch some movie? Why don't you have some fun? But Vipul will say, no, I am having fun. I like what I am doing. And he used to take a lot of effort. In the second year of college, you won't believe, Vipul was able to get an internship. And the internship started paying him money also. He was getting some 25,000 rupees every month. So here was a rich boy who had a lot of money, but still he went and did a job while studying in college. So slowly he became a point of inspiration. Many of his juniors used to say, oh, Vipul is so hardworking. I will also become hardworking like Vipul. Vipul has got internship. Oh, even I will get internship when I reach second year of college. And slowly Vipul became very popular. And the best part is, before Vipul finished his 3 years of college, he already got a job offer from the company where he was doing internship. They said, Vipul, you are very good. We will hire you in our company. And one day, finally, Vipul got a job in that company. Now he travels to different countries, takes parts in conferences, and he is very successful. Now, where did all this journey start? It started in his heart when he decided to be hardworking, when he decided to put his best effort. At one point, he had lost 15 kgs of weight. He had done a lot of exercise. He used to go to the gym. He used to eat only certain amount of food, certain amount of salads. And that is the drive and passion which he has. But even today, when you meet him, he is very simple and very humble. He will never talk about all the money he has earned, all the countries he has gone. He always wants to know, what are you doing? How is your life going? What all things do you do? And that is the kind of person Vipul is. So with that, we come to the end of Vipul's story. Thank you, children.